Have you ever wondered what makes Nelson, British Columbia, such an extraordinary and activity-filled place to explore? In this video, we're about to embark on a journey to discover the top experiences in Nelson. From outdoor adventures to cultural treasures and local activities, let's uncover the very best this charming town has to offer. Nestled in the Selkirk Mountains, Nelson is known for its stunning landscapes, artsy vibe, and a wide range of activities that cater to all interests. It's a place where you can find the perfect mix of adventure, culture, and unforgettable memories. One of the first places to explore in Nelson is the historic Baker Street. This vibrant downtown area is lined with heritage buildings, boutiques, galleries, and cafes. Whether you're shopping for unique finds, exploring art galleries, or enjoying a cup of coffee at a local cafe, Baker Street is the heart of Nelson's cultural scene. Kootenay Lake, a pristine and expansive body of water, offers a multitude of outdoor activities. From kayaking and paddleboarding to fishing and scenic boat tours, the lake is a playground for water enthusiasts. Surrounded by mountains, Kootenay Lake provides a breathtaking backdrop for all your aquatic adventures. For hikers and nature lovers, the Kokanee Glacier Provincial Park is a haven of alpine beauty. With a network of trails leading to stunning viewpoints and pristine lakes, the park invites you to explore the rugged wilderness of the Selkirk Mountains. It's a hiking paradise that promises both tranquility and awe-inspiring scenery. Nelson's food scene is a delightful mix of culinary delights, farm-to-table cuisine, and a variety of international flavors. Savor dishes made from fresh local ingredients, artisanal cheeses, and a range of global cuisines at the town's restaurants and eateries. Whether you're in the mood for a hearty farm-fresh meal, looking to sample international flavors, or interested in gourmet delights, Nelson's culinary scene has something to satisfy every palate. It's a gastronomic journey that highlights the region's bountiful produce and culinary creativity. The Nelson and District Museum is a treasure trove of local history and culture. Explore exhibits that delve into Nelson's past, from its mining roots to its evolution into a cultural hub. It's an opportunity to connect with the community's heritage and gain insights into its vibrant arts and history. For a unique cultural experience, visit the Capitol Theater. This beautifully restored venue hosts a variety of performances, from live music and theater to dance and film. Immerse yourself in the arts and entertainment scene of Nelson, where creativity takes center stage. With its blend of natural wonders, cultural treasures, and outdoor activities, Nelson offers a diverse range of experiences. Whether you're an outdoor adventurer, art enthusiast, or simply seeking a laid-back escape, this town has something special to offer. So why wait? Plan your visit to Nelson and immerse yourself in the natural and cultural wonders of this charming British Columbia town. Nelson is more than just a destination. It's an experience that promises adventure, discovery, and lasting memories. In every corner of this captivating town, there's a unique adventure waiting for you, and it's sure to leave you with a deep appreciation for all that Nelson has to offer. Pack your bags, get ready to explore, and make the most of your time in the heart of the Selkirk Mountains. Nelson has all the elements for an unforgettable experience, from artistic richness to natural beauty, making it a must-visit destination for all.